You bring me summer every weekend, like a rooftop in LA. When it heats up in the evening, you cool me off like lemonade. So don't go changing like the seasons, 'cause you're perfect in every way. Baby, gotta love this world leading. If you were running, I'd lead your campaign. You wake me up, you're the caffeine in my coffee cup. And like a shooting star, you light me up. Oh, hey, babe, 'cause we all need somebody. Even though we all need somebody. So before this love leaves your body, give it away. So if you've got somebody, let them know that they got somebody. Little love never hurt nobody. So you use your light and shine it like crazy. We got one life, let's make it amazing. I love you, babe, you know that ain't changing. You got somebody who loves you.
Sayawan mo. B, alam mo, epal ka. Alam kong alam mo na tong gift ko sa'yo kaya hindi ko na binalot. Pero sana magustuhan mo to kasi una sa lahat, wala ka naman choice. I love you so much. Check mo yung likod ng watch. I will forever choose you. RCN Heart.
Like a shooting star, you light me up. Oh, hey, babe, 'cause we all need somebody. Even lonely hearts need somebody. So before this love leaves your body, give it away. So if you've got somebody, let them know that they got somebody. Little love never hurt nobody, nobody.
Wala akong maisip na gift. Wow! Kaya binili ko na lang lahat na isip ko. Pero may mga dahilan kung bakit yan ang mga niregalo ko. I love you, baby. See you at the altar.
You got somebody who loves. Wake me up, you're the caffeine in my coffee cup. Like a shooting star, you light me up.
Give and receive relationship. Dapat talaga nagbibigayan para maging isa kayo palagi.
Hindi ko alam saan magsisimula, pero sisimulan ko muna sa mga araw na tinatanaw pa lang ito sa malayo. Habang naglalakad ka, kasi napaka-busy tao na ito eh. Kaya yan.
Lapit
Hanggang
ng
sa
mic.
pagkakataon na ito, na nakaharap ka, hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala na tayo pala ang para sa isa't isa. From nobody to somebody to kabady-bady mo sa buhay. Bars. Sawa.
This is it. Nakasal din tayo. Even though it's been a fast pace for the both of us, masayang masaya ako and I thank God dahil pinagtagpo pa rin niya tayo after so many years. And now, I feel blessed to have you standing before God, hindi lang ngayon, but for lifetime. Thank you for waiting and for not giving up on me, Ryan.
What I can promise is that whatever life has in store for you, it has in store for us. Whatever life throw at us, we will face it together. I can promise to you that I can be a perfect husband, because I'm not. But I promise to continually work on being the best version of myself for you and our family.
understand you on your best and even to your worst days. I vow to listen to you on your rants, on all your stories, may sense man yan or wala. I vow to taste yung mga niluluto mo palagi, yung mga ititimpla mong kape at mga shake sa akin. And of course, I vow to stay by your side from this day forward as I leave everything behind for our new life together. I vow to always choose you no matter what. Mahal na mahal kita, Ryan.
Sabi nga ng Benedict, tagal ko nang nag-iisa, andyan ka lang pala. Kaya ngayon, one thing is for sure, B, pipiliin kita sa araw-araw. Mahal na mahal kita.
Isa lang ang aming hangad na kayong dalawa ay manatiling mag-asawa hanggang sa wakas ng inyong buhay. Nangyayari ito sa biyaya ng Diyos. Nangyayari ito dahil gagawin niyong kayo'y mag-asawa, Ryan at Rose, habang kayo'y nabubuhay.